Take a look at these creators on TikTok. They're raking in hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of views from short videos that take them just 5 minutes to make. Can you guess how much they're earning each month? Pause this video, leave your guess in the comments, and I'll pin the comment that gets it right. I'm waiting. They make anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 a month, depending on how they monetize their channels. What if I told you that you could create short videos like these in just a few minutes and monetize social media accounts to literally retire yourself from home? With this ultimate viral video formula, is almost guaranteed to gain you lots of views every single time. And it's actually quite easier to do than you think. You don't need any editing skills. You're watching Mr. Income. And in this video, I'll show you how easy it is to recreate their most viral video, just about 5 minutes using AI. But I will make the illustrations ultra engaging, and all will be done using this one AI tool with just a single click of a button. From generating customized avatars, adding voiceovers, adding avatar animation, voice cloning, and face swapping. Open ChatGPT. I'll tell ChatGPT to act like a doctor and share 10 useful tips about a specific food. These tips should be interesting, educational, and include lots of details. They should be useful for a wide range of audiences. Once we get these facts, I'll ask ChatGPT to turn each one into a short video script. Each script should be no more than 250 words. Each video should start with an interesting question or statement to grab the viewer's attention. You can go to Vidnoz AI and sign up for free, which gives you free credits daily. I'll leave to you the link to this AI in the description of this video. Once you're in, click on Create and scroll down to where you can find this AI avatar of a doctor. Hover over it and click on this short portrait format. Now, paste your script here. Before making the video, it's a good idea to add a nice background. To do that, click here and choose a suitable background. You can also find better options in the material section, which has Unsplash, a popular stock footage site, integrated. Let's use this one. Right-click and set it as the background. Now let's add some background music. Make sure to turn this on and choose the music that fits the video. The site will automatically add music to the background. Finally, click the Generate button. If you plan to upload these videos on YouTube Shorts, avoid using background music from this site. It's done producing the video. Let's check.
Interesting facts of apples. Rich in nutrients, apples are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, which support overall health and well-being.
Wow, I can't even tell if it's real or AI generated at this point. Now to download it, go back. With Vidnoz AI, you can make videos with 1080 resolution quality. Perfect for going viral. Then jump straight to step 3. Now let's add subtitles to make our video easy to understand. We'll use the free app CapCut to do this. First, go to CapCut and sign up if you don't have an account already. Now, add our AI avatar video to the timeline, click on the Captions button, then select Auto Captions to automatically generate subtitles. The auto subtitles will be long sentences, so we need to shorten them by dragging the subtitle text to only 2 to 3 words per line. Now let's bring them up somewhere in the middle, then click here to apply a preset. You can also change the font and make it bold. Now, I will work on making this video more visually engaging for viewers. CapCut has lots of effects. We can try this one to add at the start, and here is another to apply to the whole video. Make sure to drag it right above the video so it doesn't affect the subtitles. Export to save your video. Behold the final result. Now let's compare them to the ones already going viral.
Interesting facts of apples. Rich in nutrients, apples are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, which support overall health and well-being.
It's obvious that ours is much better than the competition. Now, the only task remaining is to upload these videos on a regular basis, with attractive descriptions and improved based on stats, which only requires a few minutes of your time and dedication. I highly recommend to visit my other value courses because you will thank me later. See you in the next one.